Welcome to Dancewa Technologies Incorporation, manufacturer and exporter of control system, PLC, and AC drive panels. The company was established in 1987 in Navi, Mumbai. We have spread our wings to India subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and we serve to Siemens, Jindal Steel and Godrej. We are backed by skilled manpower, sophisticated mechanical supports and industry-leading prices. We offer a wide assortment of machine control panels, PC console desk cabinets, power and instrumentation panels, PLC and VFD panels are available with us at cost-effective prices. We present a unique range of purge and mimic panels. We are engaged in offering supreme quality machine control panels. PC console desk cabinets are in huge demand across the global markets. Power and instrumentation panels are well known for their impeccable performance. To get more details, please visit our website www.dancewa.net.